Yo, it's me, your blind bestie. Welcome back to my channel. So this week my birthday passed. I'm now 26. I got these brushes from my friend Brianna, and she got me this. My friends got me, look what my friends got me for my birthday. Ain't these so pretty? The next thing I have to show y'all is inside my suitcase. Yes, my suitcase. Because we're gonna go to Orlando with me. That's when I'm gonna wear it. So let me just get this shirt out. Friend Brianna's husband actually made this shirt for me. I saw this meme on TikTok, right? And I have been saying it ever since I had caught COVID in December. I always said, I'm going to do that trend, but they have since taken it off of the TikTok. So it's a black shirt and it says vaccinated, caffeinated, and freshly masturbated. So I'm wearing this. It's really oversized. So I'm wearing this that Friday when we're in Orlando. Take some cute pics with that. So I have this t-shirt already in my suitcase, and I have the red Disney shirt that I showed you guys before, and the mask is wrapped around in it. And I already have these outfits, well, these t-shirts already in my suitcase because there's no need for it to be with the general population stuff when I'm not wearing either one of these until I get to Orlando. We bought our plane tickets to our trip to Florida. So that was purchased this week as well. But in this video today, I'm going to be prepping to launch my Etsy shop. I actually already have it set up, and I have one product already on there, and that are these t-shirts right here. And so we love that. But today in this vlog, I'm basically just going to show you guys how I take my product photos. I've done this video before, but I'm redoing it. I'm going to show you guys how I take my product photos, and I want to do them outside today because it's supposed to be like 60 degrees, and it's about to feel real good outside. Okay, so these are all of the lashes that I have. Basically, I want to take the photos like this out there, and then I have like the pink background on the bottom. I feel like that'd be really cute and really on brand. These are all of the earrings that I have left. Honestly, these are my favorite, and I'm debating on even if I want to put these up right here up on the shop because it's only one pair, you know. And I did keep a pair of these because like I like them. So I'm debating on if I should just take this off, but I mean, it's still a brand new pair. Like I've never opened that one before at all. So there's that, and then I have two of these bigger ones right here. You know, the girls love their big earrings. And when people buy the lashes, it's gonna come with, you know, a plastic tweezer. And then I also have a couple metal tweezers from when I first launched. I'm trying to get one out. So I have masks that I left. This one I don't think I'm gonna sell because I did open it. But the rest of them are sealed, so you know, there's that. So I probably end up giving this one to my grandma because she's been saying that she wants a mask. And okay, so I'm having Anthony help me sort through all of the eyelash inventory before we go outside real quick and take the pictures of everything. This is the plan. So I have, I think, 3 of these backdrops. I'm gonna choose, okay, I'm gonna choose probably this darker pink, or should I do the lighter pink? I feel like the lighter pink will look pretty as well, right? Because the box is already dark. I think I'm gonna do the light pink. But I got these from Walmart. I got all 3 of them at the same time for like 11 bucks. So go to Walmart, get you a thing of fabric. And then I've been having this, but I haven't had anything to where I would need that, like the black and the silver. But it's another backdrop that I also have, so I'm going to implement these when I'm taking my product photos for sure. This is what the background of the photos is going to look like. You just going to see this pink, but I wanted to do it outside so that we can get the natural lighting. So
so I'm about to do it.
I want them in the middle though.
I know. You want them one at a time, right?
Yeah, but I feel like a cute picture. to start, get them all outside their boxes so that I can get like a Instagram, TikTok reel type of situation.
We can do that last because I need this to hold the thing down. You feel me?
Yes.
Like, I see where you're coming from, but we'll do that last.
But these are gonna look really pretty. It's gonna look pretty on there.
God, my head is covered.
This vlog ain't got nothing to do with that, but he cut his hair off.
I don't give a fuck. I think I care because I don't.
But it's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like as we are finishing it up. So we're done with all the individual product shots. So now I'm just getting a vertical video of all of the smaller products. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. This was just me showing you guys like the Etsy shop is underway. It's happening. It's a thing. I think earlier I was telling y'all how like I was online this morning and last night looking up like different products and stuff. I think the next thing I'm going to get is some necklaces, but I have to get the samples first, but you guys will see that like vlogs in the future. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button with that bell, press all to get all my notifications, and like this video because I'm about to be an Etsy shop owner. Well, technically I'm already in, like it's already made, the products are already there that I have. So yeah, I'm excited, and that is all. Bye y'all.